Good morning, champs. We solve the differential equation y prime equals y squared minus 2y. First, we recognize the type. We see a y squared term, so this is a Riccati equation. Now, we look for a particular solution. The easiest guess is y equals 0. Check it. The derivative of 0 is 0, and the right side becomes 0 squared minus 2 times 0, which is also 0. So, yp equals 0 is a particular solution. Now, we use the Riccati substitution. Y equals yp plus 1 over u. Since yp is 0, this becomes y equals 1 over u. Now, differentiate. Y prime equals minus u prime over u squared. Substitute into the original equation. Minus u prime over u squared equals 1 over u squared minus 2 over u. Now, multiply everything by u squared. U prime equals 2u minus 1. Now, rewrite it as a linear equation. A constant particular solution is u equals 1 half. So, the general solution is u equals c e to the power 2x plus 1 half. Now, return to y. Since y equals 1 over u, we get y equals 1 over c e to the power 2x plus 1 half. Multiply top and bottom by 2. So the final answer is y equals 2 over 1 plus c e to the power 2x. I recommend you to check my playlist on multivariate calculus.